Hi everybody, really bizarre not being in school at the moment. I hope you're all safe and well. Because we're all stuck inside, I've decided to do some learning lockdown videos to help you with some skills. It might be a terrible idea, but hopefully you'll be able to use them as many times as you like. You can pause them, you can go back and practice. So let's begin. Okay, so to start off with, we're going to have a look at this question. 10 plus 7. Apologies if you can't see the 10 plus 7 at the top properly. So after we've wrote our question 10 plus 7, we need to find the answer, and to do that we're going to get a ruler and we're going to draw our number line. I recommend using a ruler over freehand because as you move through the school years it'll put you in far better stead. So once we've drawn our line with a ruler, we need to work out where we're going to put our number. We don't want to put 7 first because then we have to do 10 jumps. So we're going to put 10 first. It's the biggest number and then we only have 7 jumps to do. So make sure you put 10 first so we can do 7 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps. So now all we need to do is count them in. Make sure you don't do these tiny little jumps. Use that whole number line to spread it out. Also, don't do ginormous jumps like this, otherwise you won't fit them in. Practice getting the right amount of jumps. If you go a little bit over, don't worry, you can always draw an extra line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And as you can see, I've gone over a little bit, but just get your ruler and make up that gap. Now, just fill in the number line. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So that gives us the answer of 17. Okay, let's try another one. So now we're going to try 8 plus 6. Apologies again if you can't see the question properly at the top. So 8 plus 6, once you've wrote it down, it's time to do your number line. Remember, use a ruler. And remember, we want to use the largest number first so we don't have to do lots and lots of jumps. So 8 is the largest number, we're going to put that first. Then do your jumps. Double check you've done the right amount of jumps. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So 8 had 6 jumps, the answer is 14. Okay, so for this next one, we're going to look at 2 ways that could help us find the answer. The question is 6 add 7. So let's draw our number line. Now, before we do our number line, we should all know our doubles. Let's have a look at the numbers at the top. It's 6 add 7. That's very similar to 6 add 6 or 7 add 7. If we know our doubles, we could do 6 add 6. And if we know that 6 add 6 is 12, we can add 1 more on at the end, which would give us 6 add 7. If you're not as familiar with your doubles yet, you can just go back to your number line technique. However, I strongly recommend practicing your doubles so that you have rapid recall because it makes questions like this far more easier. If you would like to practice your doubles, try Hit the Button. There's a Hit the Button app and there's also the Hit the Button website. So that's it from me, everybody. Use this video, watch it as many times as you like, practice, and keep working hard at home, and see you in the next video.